Okay, I'm at this lake place now. I can't remember the name of it, but I'll mention it if I can remember it. I'm just looking at signs, everything just says private area. So I'm at private area. Anyway, just looking through the bushes there to the lake, I don't really see that much wildlife. Look, but we'll have a look anyway. And let's see how we get on. Now, I'm up to 11 on my bird list this year. And so I'll hopefully get that up. I've already got a mallard, so I want to get more than a mallard on that lake, hopefully. Should we give it a go? Let's get on with it. Little birds here, or ducks. Can't get down to their level though, because of the barrier here. I see a coot. See if I can get it. Not getting its eye. Not the best, but what can you do, eh? There's bird noise coming from here. I thought I'd hang a little bit and see if anything turns up. Oh, it's gone right down there. I was going to say there's a bird that I haven't seen before, but it's really out of my range now. God, it swam all that way underwater. It's gone again. I wonder if I hang, if it would just come back in range. There's a swan coming to shore down there as well. I haven't got that in my list. Well, that duck, or whatever it was, stays under quite a long time. They do all seem to be going down that end of the lake, don't they? I'll pop back if it comes back into view. Well, I've got some pictures, I think, and some video. There it is there. I don't know if you can see it on this GoPro. It's like a redhead. Nice looking bird. But the sun was glaring right in my eye. It's quite awkward, but I think I got the shot. So I'm really happy about that. Swimming away from me now. Now I waited about 10, maybe 20 minutes here for that bird to come back. I have no idea where it came from, so I have been looking out on the lake and I never saw it approach. So either I'm going blind or it came from underwater. So it just sort of turned up. So that's good. The swan's on its way out. I don't suppose it'll come over here. Slightly out of my range, I think. I'll give it a go though. Got some nesting activity here. So I got the mic. Might make a nice photo. Just brought that big stick over. If I pull this back, give you a bit more environmental. Yeah, interesting. Be nice to come back sometime and see if it's got any chicks, baby coots. Hi guys, just an update. I just walked almost just over halfway around this lake and I was much better off where I was, so lesson learned on this lake. I've never been here before. If you like walking, it's alright, but I don't like walking, as you know, because of my condition. But I'm committed now, so just taking the time out. I'm quite pleased. I've got a bird that's not on my list. Oh, I've got two, but I've got the coots. There's loads of coots, but at least I can tick that off the list. I don't know what that duck is yet, but if I put the picture up, hopefully I would have identified it. Put the name of it up, because it looked like a good duck. Sleek, very good underwater by the looks of it. I've got loads of mallards here. There were some birds, a lot of birds on here, but they've moved through. It's too woody here to get a good pick anyway. But I'm pressing on, I'm just taking a break. Remember, if you like my vlogs, I know it's not very like pinpointed niche, I do a little bit of everything, don't I? Yeah, click the subscribe button, it's free. And it keeps you updated and it helps me out a lot as well, it gives me motivation. Really does get me out the door, it helps. And remember to click the like button and leave any comments below if you see any way I can improve this bird photography. Any tips that you can recommend, like positioning, how long you should stay in one place and stuff like that. It's that really that I find hard. But yeah, I'll press on. Clock in a minute. it.